What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you a method that you can make money without doing any work whatsoever. This is pretty much an autopilot method. You just have to follow a couple of steps and you don't have to put in any work at all. And let me show you exactly what this method is about. So if you Google something like Udemy Bootcamp, you're going to see a lot of results, right? Python, data science, Reddit, coding, Flutter, and that is because people are looking to learn how to code. They're looking to learn how to do, build apps, right? If you type mobile, you can see Udemy mobile, for instance. You can see, look at this, app development, testing, photography course, download, etc., etc. Lots of people are looking out, they're looking to make mobile apps. Same thing right here. If you go to Upwork mobile app, Upwork for freelancers, Upwork for freelancers in the App Store. You can go to Fiverr. You can do the same thing. Fiverr, freelance services. But check this out. If you type something like build a Flutter mobile app, you can see some interesting gigs over here. Look at this. Open this one up. Open this one up. Pretty much any of them. So take a look at this one. 500, 1,000, 1,500, okay? This one, 200, 500, 1,000. So these are not $5 Fiverr gigs, right? This is a mobile application built with Flutter, right? This is a Flutter mobile application with Android and iOS for your business, right? Look at all of this. Go back here, Fiverr mobile app. You can type Flutter app. It does not need to be Flutter. Flutter is just a way of making it more specific. It could be just about anything. But, when you say Flutter, it's going to be more specific, but you can put mobile as well if you want, right? Because Flutter is a mobile framework, right? If you could type freelancer, build a mobile app, you can go on Upwork and you can go in here, you can go on here, take a look at this. You can check out this site and see how much people are charging, right? 55 an hour, 100 an hour, 50 an hour, 100 an hour, right? So this is serious stuff, right? This is about, building a freelance business, something that you can even do something like how much does it cost to build a Flutter app? Okay, check this out. And you can go out. The process of estimating Flutter app development costs takes businesses and enterprises through multiple factors and stages. In simple terms, developing a Flutter app might cost you anything from $25,000 to $80,000. Okay, so granted, this is very, very serious advanced app. I don't want you to get an idea that you'll be able to charge that much, but couple of $100, 300, 500, depending on the app, $50, $100. Those are very, very realistic. We're not talking about $5. We're not talking about $10, right? You would be crazy if you were charging somebody $5 or $10 or anything like that. And so what exactly is Flutter? Well, Flutter, if you come in here, Flutter is a way to build apps for any screen. It's a framework, right? It's one level above code. Okay, so you have a framework which is basically like it handholds you. It's doing a lot of your work for you, but you still need to learn a lot of stuff. You still need to learn how to build to become a developer. You still need to learn how to build software, right? It helps you a little bit, but you still need to learn how to build software. But what if I can tell you, you can build this app without worrying about Flutter, without worrying about anything, without even like using tools to build these apps. You can just go out and get an app that does exactly what you want. Well, you can head to Flutterflow, and you haven't seen this method yet, trust me. Check this out. You're going to start off for free. I'm going to sign into my account. And I've been using Flutterflow for a long, long time. I have another channel dedicated to it, so I know what I'm talking about. Look at all these apps that I built in the last 6 months or even more. And what you guys want to do is you want to come in here, create new. Now, you don't want to create a blank app. You want to use a template, right? This is the secret. You call your app whatever you want. My awesome app. And you can come in here and you have so many options. Look at this. You can create a social network. You can create a job platform. You can create an Airbnb clone. You can do some kind of a trivia app, a wedding app, right? A Flutter. I don't even know what this is. This is Flutter Met. Maybe it's some kind of a art museum type app. Courts. right? Look at this, user-generated content. You have these templates where all you have to do is create a sample and just customize it just a little bit. So for instance, let's say we want to create, what do we want to do? We want to do this one, up homes, right? Everybody wants to have their own Airbnb. Maybe it's a niche in a certain city, in a certain state, in a certain region. We're just going to say use sample. Okay, and look at this one. And all you have to do is start building, and you have this app right here. I mean, take a look at this one. You have all these pages. Look how many pages you have, guys. You have a create account. You have the main page. Look at this. It's even going to list all the properties here, property details, search properties, my trips, all of these things. And all you have to do is check this out. You can go to developer menu, view code, and this is your Flutter code. This is how you build the app. Check this out. You can just simply go in here. You can create an APK, which is a basically a built app for Android, right? It's already done, right? It's already done. All you have to do is customize it, right? You just have to customize it, right? Everything is set up. You even have ratings, you have reviews, you have links. Everything is done. I mean, you don't even have to go out and build this app. So check this out. Let's try something else. Let's go ahead and see if we can create another app. Let me show you another sample app. Create new. I'm going to say my awesome app 2. And let's say this time you want, how about this one? Flutter Met. Okay, let's check this out. I have no idea what that is. And look at this one. I have another app. I can go into pages, and I have a ton of pages here, right? Not as many as the previous example. Search results, art pieces, login page, everything is done, right? You can come in here and you can view this code. And this is what you'd have to do if you decided to, to go the hard way and become a developer, a Flutter developer, and actually build this code, where you can use an app like that in order to build all this code out for you. Look how awesome it is. You have a login page. You have some exhibit titles. You have like a list, department highlights. All of this is done, and you can simply go back to your project. You can download an APK, and it's already done. You just have to customize it a little bit for the customer, for the client. Now, the strategy that I recommend is that you can go out and you can build several of these, and you can say, well, I have these apps up and ready, and you can basically generate this code, and you can give them to a client, maybe $100, $200, and then they can go out and they can customize it. So you don't even have to customize. It's up to you how far you want to take it. You don't want to customize it? Okay, then you can just hand it to them and they can customize it. But then you'll have to charge a little bit less money. If you want to create something like a customized experience, you can charge a lot more money, but then you'll have to do some of the work. So it's really up to you. Let's take a look at a couple of other examples here real quick, just to give you an idea what kind of apps. Let's take a look at a couple of more. Let's take a look. What else do we have? We have a chat app, a trivia app. We have a fleet of cars, a chat app, health AI, right? Something, a to-do app. Okay, something very, very simple. How about this geek app? You have this geek chat. Let's check that out. Use sample. We can come in here and look at this, right? Come and see the pages. You have register, my friends, complete profile, forget password. You have all of these options, and you can take it as far as you want to take it. You want to customize it here. You want to customize it there. You want to give it to the client uncustomized and say, hey, I have an inventory of, X amount of apps that I'm selling, and you can customize it yourself, right? You can simply go to something like Gumroad here, and you can go to Gumroad. You can check the features. Very, very easy. Open an account, add products, start selling, get paid, repeat. There are millions of these sites. You can just go Gumroad versus Shopify is a big one, right? Selfie is another one. Selfie is good. Selfie, I think that's it. Yeah, Selfie, sell your products. You can come in here. They have pricing here, $0 per month, right? You can just use this right here. You can start a free trial if you want. It's really, really up to you. These services, they're not going to charge you anything unless you make money, right? Once you start making money, then you can pick a plan that's going to be, convenient for you, right? But they're not going to charge you a fee if you're just starting out. So lots and lots of services. And you can simply say, hey guys, I have some apps that you can use. I have some templates. They're in Flutter. This is what I'm selling. You can sell them on Upwork. You can sell them on Freelancer. You can sell them on Fiverr. The list is endless. You can go out and sell them on local marketplaces. The list is really, really endless. You can also go on LinkedIn, find prospective customers there. It's really, really up to you how far you want to take it. But the beautiful thing here is that, check this out. We have this one app, but there's so many other apps, right? There's so many ideas. Look at this. How many templates we have? We have 4, that's 12, 13 minus this one, 12 templates that you can potentially sell that are for all kinds of different niches, and then sell them using Shopify, Selfie, Gumroad. There's lots and lots of sites. You don't even have to use Shopify. You can use something a lot simpler. And so this is an awesome method that you can decide how you want to do it. You want to customize it. That's one way. You want to sell something that's uncustomized, so the customer can customize it. That's another way. So it's really up to you how far you want to take it, but definitely give this a shot because this market is super hot right now.